Okay, you guys, so I made my chicken asada taco and my asada steak taco. Show you guys how it look. Okay. Ooh, look at there. Oh my goodness. I love the steak so much. It got a good flavor. Even the chicken is okay. So I got yeah, but this is how it look. Oh my goodness. And if you guys want to see what kind of sauce that I use, you guys just have to just keep watching this video, okay? But yes, this is and I'm not going to stay too long, you guys. I'm just really just filming it when I made it. That's a perfect one right there. The carne asada taco. That's a good one, okay? Well, all of them is really good. But, and this right here, of course, that's the chicken because it got the bell pepper, on it. And so what I did here, you guys, you know, I'm a fan of chicken tacos, but not that much. But see, that's what I did. I just kind of put half this on. Well, this right here is this is the chicken, okay? And what I did, because I love the steak, I just kind of put, see, half of it. So I mix a chicken and steak. Yes, I did. But anywho, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. Sorry about that. The show name was Cooking on my cooking channel. And if this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, thumb this video up. Subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, sorry about that. Just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. That's it. Yes. Yep. And like I said, I got this at the Victoria Market restaurant. And would I go and buy this kind of meat again? I probably would, because they do season it for you. That's a plus. You know what I'm saying? But yes, I would. But anyway, so let's see. Taking some picture of it. That's the asada, the steak taco. Yeah, that's the steak taco. This is a little better. Got more cilantro in it. See that? And you can see the steak. See? Trying to take a picture of it before it closed. Yeah, but that's a good one. Okay. So, and this is, you know what? This right here, you guys, this is the whole chicken. This don't have, because I thought this must be mixed with the chicken beef. Sorry about that. Yeah, because I was just looking at it. Yes. And that's how the chicken look, you guys. Okay? Just want to make sure y'all see that. That's how the chicken look. Put my cilantro back on it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try this the green chili first. Let's see. But it's kind of it got that tomatillo taste to it. Very strong, But yeah. Okay. Just what I'm doing, you guys, I'm just taking a picture, of it. So yeah. And you guys can make this on Taco Tuesday as well. So if you want something, when Tuesday comes, you could definitely make this on Taco Tuesday. I guarantee. Okay, so let me go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and use the this sauce with the green sauce first. Okay, you guys. So I'm gonna use this first. Okay, the green sauce. Okay, I put the green sauce on it. Okay, go ahead and you guys. If I can pick it up. You guys can get that first bite. I don't mind. Got it. Now I'm gonna take my bite. Okay, I know I didn't give you guys some cilantro, so go ahead and take that bite again. Alrighty, and now I'm taking my bite. Oops. You know what? I don't want this to drip on my table. Okay. It really not that bad when you put the green sauce on it. Not that bad at all. Okay, you guys. I'm going to get out of here because I am hungry like Margaret. But y'all can go ahead and get that bite. Okay? Okay, you got it? All right. Don't say I didn't give you no bite. Or the chicken. All right. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. And keep watching this. Even though I didn't season the meat part and stuff, but I did cut up my first onion, cilantro. I did cut up that. Okay. Bye. See you guys in the next video. If I do post this on Tuesday, happy Tuesday. Okay? All right. Got you guys. I forgot to show you guys my line. I forgot to show you guys that on my taco. Yeah. I guess I must have been kind of hungry, but I just want to come back to show you guys. I did cut up me some lime as well. Yeah. And it tastes real good, I guarantee. Here, I'm going to give y'all, since I did, you guys can take the first bite. There you go. With the lime. Yep. Alrighty. That's it. Yep. Yeah. Take a thumbnail with my lime. And I did put some, you don't have to put cheese, but this right here, I did sprinkle me. When I went and got my lime, I did sprinkle a little cheese on it. All right. I just want to come back to show you guys that. So I did have lime. Alrighty. Okay, you guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm to try this out. This Asada beef And again, this is this is where I bought that from. So I'm going to cook it today. That's the name of the market. That's where the address. Okay, so I'm going to cook the chicken and the Asada steak, whatever they call it. And I guess this right here, this is what they call chicken. They got a polo. That's the name of it. I'm kind of getting confused. But I'm going to show you guys how I look. So this is, I'm going to cook these tacos today. And I chop me, especially the Carne Asada taco. Only thing is that you use is the just chopped onion and cilantro. And you can use any kind of sauce you want. So what I probably do is, I love this. This is really good, you know, right here. And then this right here, Sadie. So yeah, I'm gonna try both of them on Sunday to see which one I better to go with the tacos. Okay. So each one I'm gonna put in each cup. One, I got another one to see which one I like the best. Yeah, but I know this is good, very good. Yeah. But anyway, I just want to come back to show you guys I am ready to cook this meat to see what it's all about. Again, like I said, the butcher, the guy, he did season it, you know, but I'll show you guys when I open. But I'm not going to cook all this meat because this is a lot of meat, you know. Definitely not going to cook all of it. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what it's looking like. Okay. Okay, you guys, this is the tortilla I'm using. Yep, that's what I'm using. Okay. Okay, you guys, so that's how it look. That's the chicken. See, show you guys. My husband said, why did it look yellow? Because whatever season they put in it, you know. I don't know what kind of season, but yeah. Yep, that's the chicken part. That's how it look. And this is the steak. That's how it look. You got some? I did that cilantro. But that's how it look. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys how the meat look when I open the bag. Look pretty good. It looks like it's well seasoned. Okay, so now I don't have to do no seasoning nothing because everything is well seasoned. I guarantee. All right. Okay, you guys, I'm going to heat up some oil. And this right here is the kind of oil I'm using. Okay. Okay, you guys, so I use this spoon. So I'm not going to cook all of these. And this, I use two of these. 2 full. And that's how much I had left over. It just only me and my husband, you guys. So yeah, that's how much I had left over. Okay, you guys. So almost done. Okay, so this is how much I'm gonna cook. This is the chicken. how much I got left over. Okay, so I put in my chicken first. And then I do my vegetable last. And I probably could do, I'm just gonna cook the chicken a little bit, then add the vegetable. And this is how I'm looking. Okay, you guys, so it's all ready. So this is how it looks. Steak and then that chicken fajita and carne asada fajita. That's it. And then I'll go ahead and prepare the tacos. And again, like I said, it is well seasoned, you guys. They did a good job. Yep.